Hi, this is Larbeard, and today I've got another short unboxing. This came along just a few minutes ago. Ooh, nice big box. Gonna open it up, see if what I ordered is what I got. First of all, oh, hello, oh, it's a big guy. Okay, it's a little scuffed here, but as you can see, it's the Buzzbee Air Warriors Ultra Rapid Tech or Sentinel. I think. Ooh, this comes with the Ultra Tech darts. I guess it's their Ultra is their elite, and interesting diamond pattern here. Maybe I'll unbox this soon. Also got this, the Buzzbee XBZ, the Buzzbee Air Blaster Extreme Blast-zooka, and I've got several plans on these. These are supposed to be killer, and you can really get high muzzle velocity with these. And I'm saying these, I got another one, they were so cheap, I had to get two. And I think that store just ran out like a day or two ago. I got their last Sentinel, and this is their last XBZs. But they might get more, like, I can talk to the manufacturer. So let's open it up and see how it works. Cut away from you. Actually, these are twist ties, you don't have to cut it. Maybe only because the guy's on a lot of caffeine that's closing these. These are already tied up. Kind of rattles, but it's cool. I wonder if my jungle mags fit. Jungle mags. They fit. I cannot unpack it. Got a dry side. There's an air restrictor. Fits as well. Nice. I'll get some darts in here. Test it out. Ooh, what? Indeed, as advertised. Wow, this is fun. Need some cardboard. Nothing. Yeah, this is you can feel this, but it's cool. It feels good. I have a little dent here, nothing special. Not bad right out of the box. And now let's open one of these. I think I'll use them both. I think one might turn into a wizard staff that can cast fireballs. Another one will just be a nice sniper rifle or whatever, something like that. Oh, it's so tiny! Okay. 4. Okay, let's get a missile out and fire it. Well, these have a weird texture on them. They're like closed cell, but it's been roughed up by sandpaper or something. Maybe it's to slow it down. This is a pretty cute fin assembly. This goes over here. Nice snug fit. And now, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this goes like here, and pretty neat. So Zarbeard signing off with all my new toys.